Valentine is not that special. Yeah. Before you get started and get angry, stay tuned and let me explain why I said Valentine is not that special. I believe Valentine takes away from the amount of love we should experience from our loved ones. Most especially when a particular date, February 14th, is being tagged as the best time to show love and extend, gift to our special people. Now, is Valentine the only time suitable to extend love or to share gifts to the people you truly care about? No. Valentine is just one day out of so many days that was picked to say, okay, let's have a public holiday, let's have, a big party and make it a big deal. But so many people has forgotten, how to show true love to their spouses even before Valentine. They have forgotten how to make them feel special with the little things, kind gestures, those little things that partners do for each other that makes, so much sense and really matters. Now, do you want to really show your partner how much you really love them? Right now, I'm not talking about the women alone. I'm going to be generalizing this when it comes to love because everyone deserves love. I want love. I truly crave love. Valentine is beautiful. It's good to celebrate Valentine, go on a dinner date, buy flowers, buy perfumes, buy expensive things or affordable things, whatsoever you choose to buy. The most important thing is that you're gifting something, no matter what it is. It can be time, it can be attention, it can be romance, it can be dinner date, it can be anything you choose to give, so long you know the right way to showcase it. Now, the best way to know the best gift to give to your partner for Valentine is when you spend amazing time with them. It's when you spend quality time with them. It is when you talk to them. It is when you pay attention to their little whisper. Those little things they stylish tell you they need without saying it loud. When you do not spend quality time with your partner, you will not know what they like. This is why you see many people get angry on Valentine's Day when they get the kind of gift they do not want. It is important that you pay attention to little details. There was this amazing video I watched of a guy on Instagram where he bought everything his girlfriend has ever mentioned or said in his presence. Not that the girl was asking him to buy them, but because they spent time, they called or they kind of scroll on, online together on social media together, he gets an idea, he got the perfect idea on the kind of things she loves to a point of buying a bodysuit, the kind of bodysuit she likes, the kind of perfume, the kind of bag, the kind of this, to the littlest details. She bought everything for her Valentine. And he said in his words, I didn't just buy them today. I have been buying them little by little because she has been talking about some of these things. Whenever I have money, I'll buy the one I can afford until I have everything put together to give to her for no for Christmas gift, not Valentine. It was a Christmas gift, but the most important thing was that he was giving her everything that she loved. And when she received the gift, she was so over the moon. She was so excited. Why was she excited? I don't think she couldn't afford those things herself, but she was excited to know that her man pays attention to her needs, that her partner pays attention to her enough to go as far as making sure everything she wished for, not telling him to buy them for her. There's difference between requesting for someone or than and wishing. When you wish for something, it can come true, it may not come true, it may also come true. You know. But having her wish come true was more like a little toddler getting her Christmas wish from Santa. She was so excited. Now this also applies to the season we are in right now, Valentine. We still have few days to go. Start listening to her. Start asking her little, questions. Cuddle, scroll on Instagram together, scroll on, what apps together. Try to get to know what your partner loves Ask questions, stylishly if you want to surprise them. Valentine is beautiful. It's the best time for you right now to rekindle that fire that has literally gone down in your relationship. Some couples don't even pray together. They don't talk. They don't spend time. They don't have fun. They don't play. All they do is wake up in the morning, go about their day, come home, eat, go to bed. Some couples even go as long as 1 month, 2 months, weeks without having intimate, without being intimate. I think that is a dysfunctional background. Because how do you bond? You don't talk, you don't spend time, you don't cuddle, you don't have sex. How would you have bond? Like, where will you get it from? So if this tells a lot about what you're facing right now, my advice for you right now is that you spend quality time with your partner. Get to talk to him, get to talk to her, have meaningful conversations. Take a walk, take a stroll, talk. Put your phones aside. The damage phones has done to relationship, you cannot explain it. There are times you just have to put your phones aside. If not for anything, it's even good for your mental health, for your overall well-being. Now, when I'm talking about this, I'm also feeling guilty at this point. I am so close to my phone. I can't do literally do nothing without my phone. To be honest, that is a bad habit. And I believe it's something that has been part of the problem so many couples are having. Not just that I believe, I've seen it play out in the lives of others, I've seen it play out in my past relationship. And I'm learning right now to spend much time, away from my phone than spending more time with my phone. So please, you guys, if you know you have any question or there is something you want a suggestion for, give ideas for that woman or the man in your life, I have the perfect gift idea for you. So if you want to know, send me, an email. I'll be glad to share with you, or you send me a DM. I'll be glad. Go to on Instagram. It's essay_bestman, essay_bestman. It will be in my description below. All right, that is my Instagram. Go and join my Instagram, and on TikTok is essay_essay_bestman. Okay, at essay_bestman on Instagram. I'll be glad to have you on there. Just let me know you're coming from uh, YouTube, and I'll be receiving you like the star that you are. Relationship is beautiful, love is amazing, marriage is beautiful. Right now, anybody in your life you want to show love, your partner, your friends, your siblings, your parents, your colleagues, your boss, whoever you want, or the people outside, like you just want to show love to random people. I have the perfect gift ideas for everybody. So if you are interested, let me know and I'll be glad to share with you. Hey guys, how you all doing? Before I go, have you been looking for the perfect side hustle to start in 2026? And you're thinking to yourself, what are the kind of side hustle I would like to go into? You know what you want to do something, but you do not know exactly what to do. I have a step-by-step guide on how to start your own side hustle from the comfort of your home using just your smartphone. If you are interested, I'll be putting the link to my Amazon shop for you to, take a look and buy this for yourself. It's just affordable. It is $4.99. It's so affordable. Make a purchase and thank me that you did. Trust me, there is a secret I, applied to that book that you would like to see. And when you see it, you will understand. Do you know a Roy? I know him. He's the God that saves me. And I'll see you later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this to your friends and family. Turn on the post notification icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Go to my description to find every information you need right now to kick off. Okay guys, and happy Valentine, and will you be my Val? I love you guys.